Hey pet parents! Tired of fur taking over your home? What if I told you there's a vacuum so powerful, it'll make pet hair disappear like magic? Today, we're counting down the top 5 vacuums for pet hair that will keep your home spotless and fur-free. From budget-friendly picks to high-tech wonders, we've got it all. And trust me, the number 1 pick will blow you away. Don't go anywhere, all the product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Best vacuums for pet hair. Bissell's Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Plus picks up pet hair from small and large dogs, and it's an all-around easy-to-use, powerful vacuum. Its hands-free design has a hair spooling system inside the canister that clumps all the pet hair together, making it easier to empty than other models that require you to reach in and pull out individual clumps, which can be messy and gross. The floor nozzle also contains a tangle-free brush roll that prevents pet hair from clogging the bristles. Like many other models from the brand, this vacuum impressed our testers, standing out as one of the best Bissell vacuums we've tested in our lab for its ease of use and powerful suction. This vacuum's combination of features and tools was ideal for picking up the hair of both small and large pets, said one impressed tester. Number 2. Kenmore Floorcare Upright Bagged Vacuum. In our lab tests, our experts were impressed by the power of this vacuum's motor. I also appreciated the great features like its large capacity dust cup, ample hose storage and a variety of tools it comes with. We especially like the air-powered hand tool with a rotating brush, which makes it easier to remove stubborn pet hair from upholstery, bedding and stairs. On the downside, the height of the vacuum has to be manually adjusted so you can push it across all carpet styles. And, at 19 pounds, it's on the heavier side so it may not be the easiest to lug up and down the stairs. Certified by the Asthma and Allergy Foundation, AAFA, this upright vacuum has a HEPA filter and passed AAFA tests for low emissions, both while vacuuming and changing the bag. That way, pet hair will stay inside the vacuum and you can help keep people's allergies to pets at bay. Number 3. Kenmore Pet-Friendly Pop-and-Go Bagged Canister. This Cleaning and Organizing Award winner is an effective and powerful bagged vacuum that keeps pet hair and dander sealed after cleaning. This vacuum is great for carpets, but it's especially ideal if your home also has hardwood floors due to its powerful suction and bare floor brush, which you can attach hands-free using a foot pedal. In our lab tests, it proved to have powerful suction, picking up dry oats from our test carpets and hard flooring easily. One of our consumer testers used this vacuum right after another model and found that it picked up debris that the first vacuum missed. The suction was phenomenal, our tester said. We also found it easy to maneuver and transition from carpet to hard floors, thanks to its large wheels. One tester found that the bare floor brush doesn't open all the way each time, so you may have to nudge it a bit to get the brush out. Number 4. Miele Boost CX1 Cat and Dog. I love its small size that makes it suitable for tight storage spaces and easy to be carried from room to room. Its 32-foot operating radius is great for cleaning large areas, and there's even a spot on the canister body to park the hose so it stays upright during storage. This Boost CX1 model also includes a universal floor head for pet hair pickup on bare floors. This Miele canister vacuum is one of our most expensive picks, but it offers 4 suction power options that make it gentle enough to clean curtains and strong enough to clean carpets. We think the cost is justified as you'll be able to tackle messes from floor to ceiling with just one device. Number 5. Eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max. At under 3 inches tall, the easy-to-use robot vacuum can get to hard-to-reach areas under furniture where dust, hair and other dirt can build up without you realizing. It has great suction power ideal for sucking up pet hair, as well as an auto-increase suction feature that allows the vacuum to deep clean. Large wheels help the vacuum navigate carpets and door ledges, while built-in sensors help it avoid falling down your stairs or bumping into objects. Like other robot vacuums, one of the chief complaints is that the dust bin fills up quickly, especially in a home with a lot of pet hair. Overall, though, we think it's hard to beat the value of this vacuum, especially considering it largely takes the task off your hands. So, which vacuum are you grabbing to tackle your pet hair problem? Whether it's the jaw-dropping #1 pick or the budget-friendly option, these vacuums are total game-changers. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video helped you out, share it with your fellow pet parents, and subscribe for more life-saving cleaning tips. All the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your home fur-free.